Hola, ¿cómo estás? Welcome back to the touring experience. Mi nombre es Alan, and I'm honored to be your Spanish teacher. Today, you learned the two kinds of articles in Spanish, artículos definidos y artículos indefinidos. In previous lessons, we've talked about the importance of the articles in Spanish. They indicate the gender and the number of a noun. And like in English, they also tell whether we're talking about someone or something in particular or not. English only has two articles, one definite and one indefinite. Spanish has 4 definite articles and 4 indefinite articles. El, la, los, las. El libro, la playa, los libros, las playas. Un, una, unos, unas. Un lago, una mesa, unos lagos, unas mesas. Remember that in the case of people and some other living creatures, the plural form will be masculine, as long as there's at least one male member in the group. Unas amigas, unos amigos. There are a few exceptions in which the articles don't agree with the noun's gender. If a feminine singular noun begins with the stressed a sound, then the noun is preceded by a masculine singular article. Agua, un agua, unas aguas. Hacha, el hacha, las hachas. Notice that in both words, the stress falls on the first syllable. If that isn't the case, then the nouns are preceded by the feminine articles, like any other feminine word. Alegría, la alegría. Almeja, una almeja. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Challenge them to learn with you. And let us know if you have any questions regarding the topic and what you would like to learn next. Don't forget we have a gift for you. To help you get started in Spanish the right way and interact with the locals during your next trip abroad. To download it for free, just click the link in the description below. Our gift for you for being here. Subscribe to our channel for weekly Spanish lessons, travel videos and tips, cultural information, and more. Gracias y hasta la próxima semana.